Today's video is a simple standing stretch and flow yoga class. You can do this absolutely anywhere, even with your shoes on, without using a yoga mat, and without your hands touching the ground. Enjoy your practice. Start in mountain pose, feet hip distance apart. Bring your palms together in front of the heart. Close your eyes and take 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through the mouth. 2 more. Inhale, exhale, and 1 more. Blink your eyes open and begin. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, hinge at the hips. Inhale, lift halfway up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. 2 more, just the half lift. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold. And 1 more, inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Keep your knees soft and slowly roll up to stand. Once you're up, reach the arms up, standing back bend, lift the heart and the gaze. Then look forward again for a high lunge. Step your left foot back, keep the back heel lifted, and add movement. Exhale, lower the back knee and the arms. Inhale, come up. Exhale, lower. 1 more, inhale, come up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, come up. Keep the legs here, add a twist to your right. Stretch the arms out. Keep your gaze steady at one spot and breathe. Carefully come back to the center. Bring the hands on hips, pyramid pose, press your back heel down, straighten the front leg any amount. Arms behind you, you might grab the elbows or bring the palms together in prayer position. Fold forward from your hips. Keep that length in your spine. It's okay to bend the knees a little bit if you need to. Stay another few seconds. And carefully come back up. Back to your lunge, bend the front knee, lift the back heel, lift the arms for a side stretch. Take your left wrist and gently fold to the right. Feel that lengthening in the left side of your body. Come back to the center, hands on hips, step the left foot forward to mountain pose. Inhale, reach the arms up, standing back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway up, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Keep your knees soft and slowly roll up. Once you're up, reach the arms up. Inhale for your standing back bend. Look forward again. We'll do the other side. Step your right foot back this time for your high lunge. Exhale, lower the arms, bend the back knee. 2 more, inhale, rise. Exhale, lower. 1 more, inhale and exhale. Inhale, come up. Prepare for twist. Turn the upper body to the left. Stretch the arms out. 1 more breath. Carefully back to center for pyramid. Hands on hips. Straighten both legs any amount that you can. Keep the hips level. Arms behind you, maybe clasping elbows or prayer hands. Fold forward from your hips. Maintain length from tailbone to crown. Firm the quads, help the hamstring stretch. Breathe. And carefully come back up. Bend your front knee again, lift the back heel for lunge, arms up, side stretch. Take your right wrist, gently fold to the left. Enjoy that stretch on the right side of your body. Soften your face. Carefully back to center, hands on hips, step the right foot forward to mountain pose. Inhale, reach the arms up for another standing back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold. Soft knees, slowly roll up. Inhale, arms up for your last standing back bend. Lift the heart. And exhale to mountain pose. Close your practice. Take a few breaths here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.